Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to contact BluPeak customer service. To contact BluPeak customer service, you have several options. The primary way to get immediate service is by phone. You can reach their member service center at 866-873-4968. For other specific needs, there are different phone numbers. If you need to report a lost or stolen debit card, you can call 866-873-4968 for a domestic call. For international calls, use +812-647-9794. To change your debit card PIN, the domestic number is 888-886-0083 and the international number is +866-488-4135. For help with a digital wallet, you can call 855-553-4291. You can also contact them through their online banking and mobile app. Use the secure messaging or live chat feature for a quick and secure way to speak with a representative. Additionally, you can send an email to memberservice@blupeak.com. If you prefer in-person assistance, you can visit one of their branch locations. You can find the hours and addresses on their website. Finally, you can also mail them at P.O. Box 881109, San Diego, California, 92168, 1109 for deposits and loan payments. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.